नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है फिर से आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे। तो आज है हमारे साथ विराश्री, जिसको 11 लाख का पैकेज लगा है मधुरा कोर्स में। तो आज पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन जानने वाले हैं, तो बने रहेगा इस वीडियो के एंड तक। तो विराश्री, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Hi guys, my name is Veerashri Kamane. I've done my BTech in Textile Engineering from VJTI College, Mumbai. I've got placed in Madura Coats, which is a Bangalore-based company specialized in fabrics, yarns, trims and footwear.
सो 12th के बाद इंजीनियरिंग का क्यों डिसाइड किया? इंजीनियरिंग में क्यों आना है?
So engineering में आना था, but the thing is I wanted to get into fashion oriented branch, not like अब सब लोग बोल सकते हैं कि निफ्ट भी है करके fashion related, but not entirely on the creative side, somewhat inclined towards technical also. So textile engineering ही था, तो इसलिए उसमें किया।
ओके। तो फिर 12th के बाद कॉलेज में एडमिशन लिया। कॉलेज में क्या क्या नया नया एक्सप्लोर किया? मतलब कमिटीज़ वगैरह हुई, जैसे कि तुम वस्त्र की सेक्रेटरी भी थी। तो हमारा कैसा है कि मैं सिविल इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, तो मेरा कैसा है कि सेसा जो है वो टेक्निकल कमेटी है। तो वैसे ही टेक्सटाइल में वस्त्र नाम की एक टेक्निकल कमेटी है, जिसमें ये भी सेक्रेटरी थी। तो थोड़ा बार उसका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था?
तो मैं वस्त्रा की जनरल सेक्रेटरी थी। तो वस्त्रा टेक्सटाइल इंजीनियरिंग का टेक्निकल फेस्ट होता है, जहाँ पे वी कंडक्ट वेरियस कॉम्पिटिशन्स, प्रेजेंटेशंस, फैशन रिलेटेड फैशन शोज़, स्केचिंग, पेंटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग। तो इट वाज अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस, एंड जिससे मुझे काफ़ी मदद मिली है फॉर द प्लेसमेंट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज you develop leadership qualities and you get to like enjoy the responsibilities which are offered during these fest when you serve the positions like general secretary. So you develop a maturity to tackle those questions in the interview round as well, like all the problem solving skills also. So it did help me for the interview.
ओके। सो व्हाट अदर कमिटीज़ यू एक्सप्लोर rather than वस्त्र?
So other than Vastra, back in first and second year, I was a part of Rangavardhan and Pratibhin. It was a good experience, but I was not I was more focused into studies, so I missed a lot of events of the cultural fest. But I was part of Pratibhin and Vastra only. That's it.
ओके। सो इसके बाद हम इंटर्नशिप के तरफ ये होंगे। तो इंटर्नशिप में कौन सी इंटर्नशिप थी और कितने मंथ्स की थी? क्या क्या उसमें नई चीज़ें मतलब सीखने को मिली?
So I've done my two internships. First was in second year. It was like I applied to for that internship. It was at Indocount Industries. It was unpaid internship for 1 month. There I did my project, and then second internship did. It was in third year. It was a 2 months internship, and I got into it from the campus itself. It was at Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail. There I was a product intern in Van Heusen women's wear brand.
सो व्हाट वाज योर प्रोजेक्ट एक्सपीरियंस एंड व्हाट यू डिड इन दैट?
So during my first internship, I did a project. So my first internship was based on the three basic fabric manufacturing techniques, which are like the spinning, weaving, and processing. So my project was also based on that. I did my project on whiteness variation of the fabric, and during my second internship, it was related to fashion and retail thing. So since I was a product intern in the women's wear section, so I solved the problem of transparency in white formal pants, and it was a customer solving problem. So my project was entirely based on the understanding the marketing, understanding customers, and also what trends are going in the formal wear in women's wear.
ओके। सो व्हाट आर द टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट फ्रेशर शुड फोकस ऑन टू गेट अ गुड प्लेसमेंट?
Especially in branches like textile, I think for three basic like spinning, weaving and processing is the basic. You should stick to your basic, and you should be pretty thorough with that. Even during the interviews also, they don't really ask you about technical textiles as such. I mean, you should have knowledge of that, but to crack an interview, basics is must, and spinning, weaving and processing is must. You should be thorough with everything, and fabrics, yarns, fibers knowledge is also very important.
So how fresher can build a good resume? Means what should we add in the resume so it will directly and indirectly benefit in our placement journey?
First of all, you should be like your CGPA should be good. I'm not saying that it should be a 9 pointer or something. It should be pretty much decent to qualify for the placement. and then later whatever you have participated in your cultural committees, and then your internship projects. And also one thing you should do is whenever any placement arrives, just see the role a company is offering, and then see the keywords they provide in the GD. So make sure you put those keywords in your resume also, because when your resume gets scanned by the recruiters, they look for the keywords which they want in the people they are hiring. So make sure you put those keywords so that your resume gets shortlisted.
Okay. So, what is your opinion, CGPA versus skill? Means, what skills should freshers develop in the starting journey of the college?
I think CGPA doesn't really matter. It should be, as I mentioned earlier, it should be decent enough to qualify like the placement process. But skills like communication skills are very important. Problem solving skills, which you get, like which you learn through these committees things only. And when you get to experience all these things, you have seen toppers also who have good pointers, but they struggle with communication skills. Because in my case, for Madura coach at least, I had 3 rounds. First was GD, second was technical round, and third was HR round. So for to crack a GD round, you have to have like good communication skills. You should be thorough with the topics also. So also you should have current affairs knowledge also, because you should know what are the hot topics they'll be asking for the GD. So you should have that knowledge.
ओके. तो तुम कितने मंथ से प्रिपरेशन कर रहे थे प्लेसमेंट के लिए, और कौन से राउंड में तुमने कैसे फेस किया?
So preparation starts from 12th standard also, I guess, because then before, like first step is to get into good college, and then second is to follow the course very properly. And for the placement, there is no specific preparation as such, I feel. It's just that stick to your basics, be thorough with your communication skills, and then when you get to know about the rounds the company is going to take for the selection process, then practice accordingly. Because like just like if we take for example a group discussion round, so just go through the topics which are go through the current affairs, what are the hot topics are there currently happening. So just like brush up all the points which you can mention in your GD. And before this, Madura Coats is the third company in which I applied. Before that, I applied for Tata Trent and Reliance. I couldn't crack that interview. So I was out right in the aptitude round itself, because I think I was not having that pretty knowledge of that aptitude, I guess. But this was my third company and I got selected.
सो एप्टीट्यूड राउंड वगैरह मतलब डिपेंड करता है कंपनी टू कंपनी, तो रह भी सकता है। अगर रहा तो फिर उसके लिए इंडिया बेक्स वगैरह वेबसाइट है जो कि तुम फॉलो कर सकते हो। तो तुमने ऐसे कुछ वेबसाइट्स वगैरह यूट्यूब चैनल्स वगैरह रेफ़र किए थे, कुछ सोर्सेज?
So for actually about my course, there are no like limited videos available on the YouTube as such. But most of my course thing was covered during the lectures only. So apart from that, I preferred books or NPTEL lectures. That's it. And for the aptitude, I did refer to India Bix also.
सो व्हाट मिस्टेक यू डिड ड्यूरिंग द कॉलेज? सो ये मिस्टेक्स फ्रेशर ने नहीं करनी चाहिए?
I did a lot of mistakes, but I don't regret them. And freshers, and in the thing I observe in freshers is that they study before the exam, so that they shouldn't do. They should go through, like they should keep learning throughout, and they should not compare their journey with others, because everyone's journey is different. That kills your motivation to go ahead in life.
तो गाइस, इस वीडियो से मैं यही दिखाना चाहता था कि एक टेक्सटाइल मतलब जो कि विजिटाई में कैसा है कि CSIT वगैरह टॉप के ब्रांचेस और टेक्सटाइल मतलब नीचे के ब्रांचेस समझी जाती है, पर इसमें भी अच्छी पैकेज तुम ला सकते हो। एक अगर सच्ची डेडिकेशन वगैरह तुम्हारे साथ हो तो विराट श्री को सक्सेस मिला है, वैसे सक्सेस तुम भी हासिल कर सकते हो। तो कुछ डाउट्स वगैरह होंगे तो वो तुम कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हो। तो एक फाइनल मैसेज फ्रेशर्स को क्या देना चाहोगे?
Final message is that you should enjoy your engineering journey, and like along with enjoying, you should keep learning, keep participating cultural activities, also other technical fest which VJTI is offering. For example, SESA we have for the civil branch, textile has Vastra, and
पैसा
yeah, PESA for production. So, and apart from that, VJDI also gives access to different international conferences and exhibitions. So you should visit them as well, because that makes you aware of what exactly is going into the market. Especially when it is related to textile branch, you should understand the products, you should understand the competitors. So that also helps in the interview process. And keep learning. Don't get sulked with the by the failures, and again, like, don't let don't compare yourself with others. That's it.
तो गाइज़ मैं इतना ही बताना चाहता था कि ये जो 4 साल है, 4 साल में एक्सप्लोर करो, नई कमिटीज़ वगैरह ज्वाइन करो, उससे तुमको कुछ ना कुछ एक्सपोजर मिलेगा और वही तुमको रेज्यूमे में भी तुम ऐड कर सकते हो और डेफिनेटली डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली तुमको बेनिफिट होगा। तो इतना ही बताना चाहता था। विराज ने बहुत अच्छी इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है, तो आपको डेफिनेटली हेल्पफुल रहेगी। तो थैंक यू गाइज़ फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड।